The health of America depends on access to an affordable and reliable supply of generic drugs. Americans rely heavily on generic drugs, affordable versions of brand-name medications, to help control healthcare costs. Yet, as critical as generic drugs are to the health of the American people, millions are struggling to fill their much-needed prescriptions. The drug shortages we're facing today are a result of unrealistic price structures and misguided policy frameworks that are squeezing generic drug manufacturers, often leading to drug shortages which impact the lives of patients everywhere. Solving these challenges requires the private and public sectors to work together on concrete steps to ensure the generic drug supply chain evolves to be more resilient, reliable, and sustainable. And we need to start today. If we don't act now and address these systemic issues, we risk reliable access to generic medications and the continued threat of drug shortages. We must modernize the policy framework to support development and manufacturing of high-quality generics, encourage smart regulations and speedy approvals, and help millions of Americans fill their prescriptions.